Yeah, I'm back with another one from Miller's Lab. Check it out, check it out. I got a 10 by 10 thin velvet Merlot. Thin velvet Merlot. I do this quick and easy. The square corners, white and these, thin pages, a cameo, rectangle, center glossy. Check it out. This is what you come to see. This is what you come to see. Look at that. You come to see the velvet. You come to see the velvet Merlot. Look at the color, look at that color, look at that color, look at the ridges, look at that cameo, look at that rectangle, look at that glossy look. Yes, sir. There's a sample album. Check it out. I had to redo this freaking video again, so I know what you come to see. You come to see the velvet. I just got it in 2 days. And look, the sample, not for resale. See how they engrave it right there? That's how you get a Miller's Lab sample album. There goes the Quana, right there, velvet. These books are ideal for parent books, for boudoir, ideal for like a keepsake, graduation, quinceañeras, sweet 16, parent albums, everything. And this is a 5 spread. And look how it looks, 5 spread, thin pages. But I know where you come. I know where you're coming for. I know where you came for this video. I know why you clicked on this video, because you want to see the velvet. Look at the velvet, velvet Merlot. Merlot. I'm back with another one. Hector Rivera Photography is back, throwing you all these albums again. There you go, Miller's Lab, man. Overnight, 2 days, I got this album. Look at the cut, look at the ridges, look at that square, look at that rectangle, look at the gloss. Yes, and I'll show you. Here comes the white right there. I'm using SmartAlbums. I got that engraved in there, printed. Simple, 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 nice. I just want to check out this. Just want to check out the product in Miller's Lab. All right, but here it goes again. Look at the color, Merlot. Look at that color. Look at that color. Real close. Look at that texture. Look at that. That's velvet, man. It feels like velvet. It looks like velvet. And then you get the sample box from Miller's. Everybody knows that signature album box. And you get this little thing. Come on, what you got right here? You get this little thing from Miller's. Tips, it tells you how you keep your album nice. All right. All right, guys. Peace out. Hector Rivera Photography. See you in the next one. Peace out.